What's up, everybody? In this video we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at the Alienware 610M gaming mouse. So we're going to be unboxing it, and I haven't really looked much at this mouse. I just got it from Dell because I bought the laptop that I did the review on. So I had some points to use, so I got this, and we're going to take a first look at it together. So let's get it out of its packaging here. I'll throw a link in the description to it on Amazon. I believe it's available there, but you can also find it on the Dell website too, if that's easier for you. Alright, so it is a wired and wireless mouse, which I'll be honest, I've never actually used before, so I'm really curious to see all the setup on that. It says 350 hours. I'm guessing it maybe has an onboard battery to get that type of line usage. 16,000 DPI, and there's all the information there. Back of the box, there's all that information, and then just some highlights there on the side. It is RGB, of course, and so hopefully it will go well with the existing laptop setup. So let's go ahead and, we're going to cut this right here. Let's get that. Don't need to cut it. We have an easy peel. Look at that. There we go. Peel that off, and then it just slides out. There is the mouse. Don't need the box. Okay, so let's lift out the mouse here. Nothing else in the box there. And pull the mouse out. We'll look at that in just a second. Here's the little information pouch. So we've got a little introductory quick card with all like their websites, stuff like that. Oh, a really big environmental and safety information manual. We'll use that, put that in the recycling. Alright, here we go. We've got our cable, USB. Those are the USB connectors, so it's not USB type C or anything like that. It's still the old style connector. My guess, which again, there wasn't an owner's manual, was there? Is that's to charge it, and also if you wanted to plug it in. Good click, of course, as you would expect with a mouse like this. One thing I noticed is actually really nice. Oops. These two buttons on the side stay well out of the way of your thumb. So some mice have found that you can easily bump that. I was wondering if the buttons were even there. It completely leaves room for that, but it's very easy just to press those two buttons on the side. Alright, so I pulled up the manual for this thing because, yeah, I had some questions. So this piece right here in the bottom, you push that in and it pops out. That is your wireless adapter piece right there. And then that piece can plug directly into your laptop, or they give you this adapter piece for a desktop. So you can plug this into here, and then you can plug this into there, and then you can plug that in your desktop. So basically you can unplug this, plug it into your mouse directly, have a wired mouse, but if you want to go wireless, you can just quickly unplug your mouse and plug in this adapter here. So basically you just leave this sitting on your desk. I'm guessing that's to make an easy switch in and out, and also give you the best signal to the adapter. So that's what these pieces are. This is the cable for the mouse and also the extension cable for the wireless card adapter. And then this adapter actually just stores right in the back of the mouse. You just push it all the way in. So that's that for you. The features, buttons, all that good stuff, you can see here on the screen the DPI adjustments, in case you're wanting to know what the support is, the different DPIs. It starts at 1800 all the way up to that 16,000. The buttons on the side, and then the switch here is the scroll wheel adjustment. So that changes, I believe, the sensitivity and the of the scroll wheel. And then the button down here was the power button. That made sense. And yeah, I think that answers the questions that I had on this mouse that were a little bit different. This manual did not come with the mouse, so I feel like this would have been helpful. But there's the manual for the mouse. Alright, so that's a look at the Alienware 610M wired/wireless gaming mouse. I'll be testing it out here in a little bit. If it's worth a follow-up video, I'll post one. But I'm sure it's going to be a high-quality mouse. And, you know, do what it needs to do. Alright, thanks for watching this review, guys. This unboxing look at this mouse. Like I said, if you're interested, links in the description to Amazon if you want to check out the pricing on it. And, yeah, thanks for watching. And I'll see you all in the next video.